Today we're doing a 2023 Toyota RAV4 all key lost. As you can see, we're only using OBD. It's connected with the USB cable, and then since it's a all key lost, we're gonna create an emulator key so we can program a key for the RAV4. In this case, I'm gonna use unlocker. I don't lock, so I can reuse this Toyota RAV4 key. I'll make another video with another key about it. So let's start by explaining to you that we gotta turn off Bluetooth so we can read the data, the emo data, and then we gotta have these plugged in to emulate the new key. This is the sensor, and then internet connected. So we go emo. It's kind of hard to see, but let's see if we can get a better view here. Okay, so we go right here. We select Toyota. Flashers are on, as you can see. So we're gonna do we're gonna hit the push button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do automatic. We're gonna read the VIN, see if it's gonna be able to read the VIN since it's all key lost. If we're not able to read it, and then we're gonna have to use a cable, but we gotta unplug the okay, so we got a fail reading, so we pressed okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's keep. We're supposed to hit ignition on so we can read the VIN. So just trying to read, so it's fail, escape. So we're gonna do manual selection, USA. This is RAV4. This is 19 to 24. Smart key. So press OK. So we go to control unit, keyless scan. Backup emo data. We press 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna establish communication. Let's see if it's gonna read it. Backup OBD. We do it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press OK. We're using Autel. Yes. See, we're able to read all key lost with Autel. So after we read the backup emo data, we gotta create a emulator key so we can add the key. So we are going to save the file. Alright, so we did it. So we're gonna go back, escape. So we're gonna do generate analog key. All right, so we save the file right there. This is the file that we save. Press OK. Please, we have connected the emulator. Okay, so it says that we generated successfully. So our next function will be add key, but we're gonna turn the ignition on. See, so we have our emulator key, so we're gonna add the key. So I'm just gonna try to reuse this key. So I go, let's say special function, refresh 88, press OK. Please remove the key and press OK. It says this is when we're about to program, so we're about to program the key. So we gotta get this ready. So we press add the smart key. Add. Press OK. Turn the ignition on. Ignition is on. Okay, now we got the VIN number. So okay. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yes, we have the backup emo. Press OK. So we select the emo that we read before. It's reading the pin. Now it's waiting for me to touch here. You hear that? So I gotta press the other key while doing this. Looks like it's not taking the key. Key detected. So let's just turn the ignition on. Ignition is on. So it's asking to see if we read the data. We'll see. Yes, so we choose the data. It's reading pin. So it's waiting. That's one. Let's see. So now you can see it took the other key. So press OK, and we put the. So I mean, you took the key. Key succeeded. Let's try it. We'll start the car. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.